Okay, so here is a tutorial on how to change out the battery in the Bentley key. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a battery, and a key. So the battery that you want to use is CR2032, if you can see that on there. CR2032, just a flat like watch battery that's marked positive, negative on each side of the battery. And here's what you do. You take the key and the part where the extrusion is for the key ring. You take your flat tip. It gets inserted here into the key and you twist. And it's gonna pop off the back of the key here, which lifts right off. Now, this post here remains, and you can see it's slotted here on the top, and that slot, when we replace this, is going to slide back into this end here. Once you've got the cap off, you can see that the positive side of the battery faces up. So just pop the battery out. It's spring loaded, so you just got to pop it out like that. You got a positive side and the negative side. The negative side is a little bit smaller with an O-ring there, keep moisture out. So the positive side is going to go up, and this is the key without the battery in it. Put the battery back in the key and press down. That's all you got to do. Then this slides right back on top. You can see the way that it goes on there. There's only one way it can go. Press that in place, and then make sure that the ring here on its piece with the slide, that slides back into the lower slot here on the key. You may want to even do that part first to make sure it goes in there properly, like that. Then simply press the key down. Now you can see the gap here, that's not all the way shut. So set on the table and press it in. Now you've got a new battery in the key with the key completely sealed, water resistant, and ready to roll.